What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are taking a look at some truck stuff today as promised in one of the last videos. I'm pretty excited about this thing that I just got. It is a Carven Progressive, really just a muffler replacement for my 2017 Ram. I think this is going to sound pretty good. Stock, you got a little V8 noise. I think this will sound a little similar to the Corsa on the Trans Am, where it's pretty mellow at idle, but it opens up quite a bit. So I got the box here. Let's open it up and let's take a look at what we have inside. Alright, so first things first, there's a smaller box in here. You have your instructions here. They give you a little sticker. You have your two clamps, or two exit clamps, so come out of the muffler, and then you have your inlet clamp. I did pull the muffler out of here. First thoughts is this thing is it's pretty nice. Looks like it's laser etched there with Carven. It's got really nice machine looking welds on there. It is 304 stainless. It's quite a bit lighter, I think, than the factory one's going to be. A little disappointment here is it looks like mine was dropped during shipping. We should be able to fix that pretty easily, but it's still a little frustrating to do something out of the box. Wish I would have packaged it a little nicer. So we're going to take this, we're going to go put it on the truck, and we're going to hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, so that's kind of that with the Carven exhaust install. I kind of showed you guys at the beginning of the install, but not a whole lot. Basically all you're doing is three clamps. You pull those tailpipes out, and then you pull the muffler out, the factory muffler, and you put the Carven in its place. Super simple. The most difficult part was probably just getting the tips kind of back in a spot that made sense. So yeah, that's it. The install is super easy. It sounds super nice. I'll give you guys a little exhaust clip at the end. I'd recommend it. It's got it's kind of expensive for just a muffler, but it works well. It's got a little drone while driving when that eco mode kicks in, but that's about it. Other than that, it's pretty nice. I like it. So we'll end this video out with a little bit of a cold idle and driving away.